Hello guys, so in this video I will show you how to add watermark to your videos on Capcut, so make sure you stick around till the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. So with that being said, let's get started. Firstly, add a green screen photo into Capcut, then add your text. So choose your desired font. I prefer to use palette font. Increase the text size. Go to shadow, select black and increase the opacity. Next, go to bold italic and check both of them. Now take a screenshot of your timeline. Crop out the green screen and save it. Set the video ratio to 16:9 and rotate the video. Tap overlay and import the green screen. Extend the green screen to the end of the video. Tap cutout, select chroma and place the chroma key on the white text. Set the intensity and shadow to 100%. Next, go to video effect and add halo blur. Set the speed to 100 and intensity to 35. Add another effect again, which is edge glare. So let's sync the green screen with the video. Now export the video. Finally, overlay the green screen on your main video. Tap cutout, select chroma and place the key on the green color. Set the intensity and shadow to 100. Done. Now you can place watermark at any position you wish. So here's the final result. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.